I was having a conversation with my roommate today. You know, she studies the Tao, and she was talking about how in the Tao, what they believe is that if there's a problem, you don't want to put all of your energy into the negative aspects of that problem. It actually makes the problem worse. So we're gonna do an experiment where we don't put any negative thoughts in our brain. I'm going to have a positive thinking experiment evening. So the first positive thing I need to think about is the fact that I need to go to the store, and that's exciting because I'm gonna make cupcakes and they're gonna be really good. So bye. So not to be a downer or anything, because this was supposed to be a day of positivity, but you know what? Today has not been a day of positivity. But you know what? We're still gonna make it. We're still gonna make the cupcakes. It's still gonna be a good day. So, yep. You know, some days you just have a day where you just feel like you just keep trying to do things and they're going like backwards. Your effort is supposed to be going forwards. Yeah, forwards. I also realized that I actually just forgot my face mask, so I'm just gonna have to be really fast. Hopefully people will understand that I forgot it and I'm not just one of those people that doesn't wear their face mask, because I do wear my face mask normally, but I just forgot it today, so. It's kind of really eerie and dead in here. Okay, we're back. You know what's weird? So many people, you look around in parking lots now, are like hanging out in their cars, because kind of like one of the only places to hang out, I guess. Actually, I just looked over to the guy who's sitting literally in the car right to my right, and we just made eye contact, and he's just been sitting in his car, and I actually didn't even realize it this whole time. I was actually looking at this lady that was actually right in front of me, but now it's kind of awkward because the guy that is actually right to my right is probably wondering what I'm doing right now, talking to this camera, but I'm just not gonna worry about it, and I'm just gonna pretend like I don't even notice him, and we're gonna go back to our house now, and we're gonna make the cupcakes, and it's gonna be really good. So yep. It almost filled all the cupcakes except for that one. All of the other cupcakes, you know, they can sacrifice a little bit of their cupcake-ness to the last little guy. He needs love too. And everybody has to do their part, you know? Everybody can give a little extra to the last little straggler guy. Okay, now they're all pretty much even. Some do have more than others, you know, but they're all gonna be great together. They're all gonna cook together. They're all gonna turn into wonderful little cupcakes. And you know what? Do I want another one? Do I want a third one? Bye.